Hello and welcome to your students, and now hope you are enjoying the video. Now we are starting in the next video. We are starting with exercise 5.1 question number 2. So we'll start with question number 2. Let us start. What is question number 2? Write the first 4 term of an AP. AP के पहले 4 term लिखने हैं, first 4 terms. When the first term A and the common difference D are given to you. You are given the first term. So first part we are given A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10. So you have to write the first 4 term. Always you know beta first term what is the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. These are the first 4 terms of AP. What is A? So 10. A plus D, 10 plus 10, 20. A plus 2D, 10 plus 2 into 10, 20, 30, 40. So these are the first 4 terms. The second part, A is equals to minus 2, B is equals to 0. So we'll write same. We have A is equals to minus 2, B is equals to 0. So minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay. The third part, A is equals to 4, D is equals to minus 3. So first A 4 plus minus 3 add करना है. Okay. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 3, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3, minus 5. Okay, first 4 terms. Then let us do the fourth one. A is equals to minus 1, D is equals to 1 upon 2. Let's start the first one. Minus 1. But you will write in this method, okay? So then first you write like this. A1 is equals to minus 1. A2 is equals to A plus D, 1 upon 2. So let me write A plus D. So you will write like this. Minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 और 2 से multiply कर लो. So this is minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2. So second term is this. Third term में A plus 2D. Okay. So A is minus 1 plus 2 into D is 1 upon 2. So it is minus 1 plus 1. Third term 0. Fourth term is A plus 3D. So that means A is minus 1 plus 3 into D is 1 upon 2. Minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 and 2. So this will then plus minus minus 1 upon 2. So therefore the series is minus 1 minus 1 upon 2, 0 plus 1 upon 2. These are the first 4 term of series. Okay. So fifth part you will do yourself. Okay. So fifth part same like this you have to do. There is no difficulty in doing the. You have to add D again and again. Okay. So now let us move to third. For the following AP, write the first term. हमें first term लिखना है A या फिर हम इसे कह सकते हैं A1. A और A1. Okay. Write the first term and common difference. D also we have to find. Okay. So the series is first part. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 up to so on. What is A? A is 3. Common difference कैसे निकालते हैं? A2 minus A1. So what is A2? 1 minus 3. That means minus 2 is the common difference. Let us move to second series. Minus 1, 3, 7. What is A? A is equals to minus 5. What is D? A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 1. A1 पूरा minus 5 you will write. Okay. So minus 1 plus 5. That means plus 4 is D. Okay. Let us move to third part. 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 13 upon 3. What is A? 1 upon 3. What is D? A2 minus A1. 4 upon 3. Got it? So fourth part is your homework. You will do yourself. Okay. Quickly move to fourth question. Easy exercise. How fast you are doing? See. Okay. So once you will start, it will become very easy for you also. Fourth. Which of the following are in AP? इसमें से बताना है कि कौन सा AP में है. Okay. If they form an AP, find the common difference. अगर वो AP बना रहा है तो we have to find the common difference and write 3 more terms. 3 more terms और लिखने हैं. The next 3 terms we have to write. Okay, if they are in AP. Okay, the first part 2, 4, 8, 16. तो we'll write a is equals to 2. कॉमन डिफरेंस ही तो निकालना है, 4 minus 2, तो that is 2. फिर यहाँ से भी निकालो कॉमन डिफरेंस, 8 minus 4, that is 4. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस आर नॉट सेम, so it is not same, तो it is not in, therefore not in AP. तो फर्स्ट वाला तो AP में नहीं है. ओके, सेकेंड पार्ट 2, 5/2, 3, 7/2 and up to so on. So we'll write D. 5/2 minus 2. तो m माइनस करो तो इसको 2/2 कर लेती हूँ. तो देखें 5 minus 4 1/2 कॉमन डिफरेंस. अगेन आई एम फाइंडिंग कॉमन डिफरेंस. A3 minus A2, that means 3 minus 5/2 multiplied by 2 and 2. 3 to the 6 minus 5, 1/2. Common difference is same. So therefore it is in AP. अगर ये AP में है तो हमें नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स निकाल लें, है ना. नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म. ठीक है, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ टर्म निकालना है. सो देयरफॉर ए फिफ्थ टर्म कितना हो जाएगा, A plus 4D होगा, क्योंकि फिफ्थ टर्म है तो 4D. सो A कितना है 2 प्लस 4 इंटू डी कितना आ गया 1/2. 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 2 ज़ा 4. तो नेक्स्ट ये 4 आ गया. अब और यू कैन डायरेक्टली ऐड 1/2 इन दिस. इसमें 1/2 ऐड किया 4 आ गया. ठीक है, देन 1/2 ऐड करो 4 में, तो अगेन 4 प्लस 1/2. तो विल ऐड 4/1 to 9/2 आ गया. ओके, 2 into 2 8 9/2. So we'll get 9/2. So again 9/2 plus 1/2, 10/5. So these are next 3 terms of an AP. Okay, so now let us see rest part are your homework which I am not doing. Okay, so I am doing here fifth part. Okay, so let us start with fifth part. Fifth part is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. ठीक है, up to so on. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, what are finite and infinite series, जिसमें ये फिक्स नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हैं, n टर्म्स हैं, जिससे आपको पता है कि इतने टर्म्स है, 4 टर्म्स 5 टर्म्स, तो वो फाइनाइट सीरीज है. In which you don't know how many terms are there, that is infinite series. So this is infinite series. Okay, so what we have to find, it is in AP or not. So find the common difference. 3A2 minus A1. Okay, so A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus A1 is 3. 3 to 3 cancels. So common difference is root 2. One more time we will find from here. Also common difference is equals to A3 minus A2. So what is A3? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2. Write in bracket first. Okay, so 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus minus minus root 2. 3 to 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. Okay, so the common difference is same. So therefore it is in AP. It is in AP, so you have to write the next 3 terms. Okay, so next 3 terms, first add root 2 in this. So therefore a fifth term is, fourth term क्या है 3 root 2, उसमें common difference add कर दो root 2. So that means 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay, तो next term is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus 3 plus 5 root 2. Next term 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, like this will go. तो A6 term, तो फिफ्थ टर्म में 3 plus 4 root 2 में root 2 और ऐड कर दो, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2, 3 plus 7 root 2. So like this will get. Okay, so now let us do, all these are very easy, so let me do which you feel that you will not be able to do. Okay, 11th part, 12th part. Okay, let us start with 11th part. 11th part. What is 11th part of this question? 11th part is a square, a cube, a raised to the power 4 up to so on. So let us find the common difference, a square minus a. Second term minus first term. इन दोनों में से a common है, तो what will left? A minus 1. This is the common difference. This minus this. Again d is equals to a cube minus a square. So इन दोनों में a square common है, so it will say a minus 1. So both are different. So we'll write it is, you'll write because the common difference is not same, therefore it is not in AP. Okay, clear? Then let us move to 12th part. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Okay, up to so on. So let us find a common difference. Root 8 minus root 2. अब हमें root 8 को simplify करना है. How will I write? 4 2 is 8 minus root 2. अब 4 का 2 बाहर आ गया, तो 2 root 2 minus root 2. अब we can solve it. दोनों root 2 वाले हैं. 2 minus 1 root 2 हो गया. ठीक है. अब now a3 minus a2 भी करके देखो. d is equals to a3 minus a2. So what is root 18 minus root 8? 18 को भी और simplify करो. 9 2 is 18 minus 4. root 8 को भी simplify करो. 4 2 is 8. तो इसमें से 3 root 2, 9 बाहर आके 3 हो गया. 3 3 is 9 माइनस इसका 2 बाहर 2 root 2. तो इन दोनों में 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 root 2. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है सब में. ठीक है. सो कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम. सो देयरफॉर इट इज इन AP. सो वी हैव टू राइट द नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स. ठीक है. तो बिकॉज D is same, so it is in AP. अब नाम नेक्स्ट 4 टर्म, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ टर्म. फिफ्थ टर्म में रूट 32 है, इसमें हमें ऐड करना है कॉमन डिफरेंस रूट 2. तो 32 को पहले सिंप्लीफाई करो रूट 2 के फॉर्म में. 16 2 is 32 प्लस रूट 2. 16 का 4 बाहर रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2 5 रूट 2. या तो it will become 25. So it, or we can write it root of, it will go inside 25 to the 50, root 50. So the next term is root 50. Now we can find the next term, root 50 or 5 root 2. 5 root 2 plus root 2, or we can write 6 root 2. 6 root 2 we can write, 6 will go inside, 6 is 36, 36 to the 72. So next term is 72. Now the next term is root 72 or 6 root 2. 6 root 2 plus root 2, that is 7 root 2, and it will go inside 49 2s are 80 98. So root 98. So next term is root 98. So these are the next 3 terms of this one. So hope you are understanding it. Rest part please try to do yourself. This is your exercises. Complete it. Okay. Till then, take care and do like and share the video, and bye bye.